Hello guys, good morning once again. We are here at Quezon City. Now we are going to check up and troubleshoot this 3A Tanner pull-in inverter AC. This is Floristant. We will find out what's the problem of this, and after that we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are repairing this 3 Tanner pull-in inverter Floristant AC. The problem of this A1. Now I'm going to troubleshoot this. What's the problem of this? First, we have to visualize if there's any burned components and spare part. So now guys, we are waiting for the compressor in auto fan motor to work. So there is a power right now. The main board, this is the main board. LED is there. And also this here. We'll wait maybe 3 minutes before it will turn on the compressor. Because it has had no power before when we checked. This is a 3 Tanner Colin Floristant inverter AC guys. Now guys, auto fan motor is working. Now, also the compressor is working. Till wait guys until it cools.
Dalawang pili.
Now guys, it's cooling right now. Okay. Our troubleshooting for today is successful. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. See you at the next video. Okay.
Vlog mo talaga yung gawa natin ah.
Oo.
Pero may pinit yun.
So by the way guys, the problem of this component which is defective, this is the bridge step rectifier which is shorted. Okay guys, thank you very much for you watching this video. Until the next video, because there is no supply, the power supply of this, there's no DC supply because rectifier was shorted. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you at the next video.